Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use the My AI features on your Snapchat account. It's super easy. You just need to follow my step by step. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tech and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Now, tap on the second icon at the bottom. That's your inbox sections. Here you will see an option called My AI. Tap on it and there you go. Your AI chatbot is now open. You will notice a few lines written at the top. Make sure to read them because your My AI gives the best answer based on these topics. If you don't have anything specific to ask right now, you can just type hi and start chatting. Right next to the typing bar, you will see three icons. The first one is for sending GIFs like hello or thank you. The second one is the gallery icon where you can share any photo or video with your AI. And third one is the location icon which lets you share your location or customize your style and privacy setting. You can also talk to your AI just like you would in a normal chat. Now, if you tap on the My AI profile picture in the top left corner, you will see several more options. At the top right, there is a share icon and the three-dot menu. Tap the three dots and you will get options similar to what you see when you add friends on Snapchat, except for one extra option, avatar settings. When you open avatar settings, you can change your avatar's appearances any way you like. And that's how easily you can use all the Snapchat My AI features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and stay connected with Zonic Tech for more amazing and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.